Across the globe, our planet teems with life in a dazzling array of forms. We share this world with creatures both grand and humble, familiar and utterly strange. Today we embark on a journey to meet 15 of these extraordinary animals. Our journey begins in the dense, humid rainforests of Java, home to one of the most endangered large mammals on Earth, the Javan rhinoceros. With a population estimated at fewer than 70 individuals, these solitary creatures are critically endangered. Unlike their African cousins, Javan rhinos are shy and solitary, preferring the dense cover of the rainforest. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures, but their future remains uncertain. Our next stop takes us to the island nation of New Zealand, home to a bird so peculiar it seems to defy logic, the Kakapo. This extraordinary creature is the world's only flightless parrot, a hefty, ground-dwelling bird with a moss-green plumage that provides near-perfect camouflage in its forest home. Introduced predators, such as rats and stoats, have decimated the Kakapo population, driving them to the brink of extinction. Today, dedicated conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these remarkable birds. Deep in the Annamite Mountains of Southeast Asia, a creature of myth and legend roams the Saola. So elusive is this forest-dwelling antelope that it was only discovered by scientists in 1992. Often referred to as the Asian unicorn due to its rarity and the long, straight horns that adorn both males and females, the Saola is a creature of mystery. The few photographs that exist of the Saola, captured by camera traps, reveal a strikingly beautiful animal. Conservation efforts are hampered by its elusive nature and the remoteness of its habitat. Our next encounter takes us to the Philippines, home to a bird of prey so magnificent it has been declared the national bird, the Philippine Eagle. With a wingspan reaching up to 7 feet, this is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. Sadly, the Philippine eagle is critically endangered, its population decimated by habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. The survival of the Philippine eagle depends on our willingness to protect the wild places they call home. Our journey now takes us to the mountainous valleys of Bolivia, where a riot of color awaits us in the form of the red-fronted macaw. This strikingly beautiful bird, with its vibrant scarlet head, emerald green wings and cerulean blue tail feathers, is a true spectacle of nature. Sadly, the red-fronted macaw is endangered, its population threatened by habitat loss, the illegal pet trade, and competition from introduced species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these vibrant birds. Our next encounter takes us to the eucalyptus forests of southeastern Australia, where a poignant story of loss and hope unfolds. Here, amidst the fragrant trees, lives the Regent honeyeater, a bird once found in large numbers, but now critically endangered. The Regent honeyeater is a striking bird, the male sporting a black head, back and wings, contrasting sharply with its bright yellow belly and tail. But with their population dwindling, young birds are struggling to find experienced tutors. Conservationists are working to protect remaining habitat and reintroduce captive bred birds. Our journey now takes us to the murky depths of the Yangtze River in China, home to a creature as elusive as it is endearing, the Yangtze finless porpoise. This small freshwater porpoise, with its playful nature and seemingly permanent smile, is a close relative of the now extinct Pygmy dolphin. Sadly, the Yangtze finless porpoise is critically endangered, its population decimated by pollution, habitat loss, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear. The Yangtze, once teeming with life, has become increasingly hostile to these gentle creatures. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining Yangtze finless porpoises. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey to the grasslands of northern Australia, home to a bird as colourful as a painter's palette, the Gouldian finch. This small, vibrantly coloured bird is a true jewel of the avian world. Habitat loss, the illegal pet trade, and competition from introduced species have all taken a toll on their numbers, leading to their endangered status. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these beautiful birds. The future of the Gouldian finch depends on our willingness to share this planet with the creatures that make it so extraordinary. Our next encounter takes us to a tiny island off the coast of Panama, Isla Escudo de Veraguas, home to the smallest of all sloth species, the Pygmy three-toed sloth. Found only on this one small island, this miniature marvel of nature is a testament to the diversity of life that can evolve in isolation. Like all sloths, the Pygmy three-toed sloth is incredibly slow-moving, spending most of its life hanging upside down in the trees. The Pygmy three-toed sloth is critically endangered, its tiny population threatened by habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique creatures. Our journey now takes us on an epic migration, following the spoon-billed sandpiper, a small shorebird with an extraordinary beak, on its journey from its breeding grounds in northeastern Russia to its wintering grounds in Southeast Asia. This tiny bird, weighing less than an ounce, undertakes one of the longest migrations of any bird. Sadly, the spoon-billed sandpiper is critically endangered, its population decimated by habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the spoon-billed sandpiper. Our next encounter takes us to the island of Madagascar, a land of lemurs and baobabs, where we meet a creature as fascinating as it is misunderstood, the aye-aye. With its large, bat-like ears, piercing yellow eyes, and unusually long skeletal middle finger, the aye-aye is a creature that often evokes fear and superstition. The aye-aye is the world's largest nocturnal primate, emerging from its nest in tree hollows after dark to forage for food. The aye-aye is endangered, its population threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and fascinating creature. Our journey now takes us to the Ethiopian highlands, where we encounter a primate with a unique distinction, the Gelada baboon. These social animals, with their flowing manes and distinctive red chest patches, are the only primates that feed primarily on grass. Gelada baboons live in complex social groups, with herds numbering in the hundreds. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique primates and their grassland habitat. Prepare to be awestruck as we journey to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gilimotang and Panda, home to the world's largest living lizard, the Komodo dragon. With its massive size, powerful limbs and venomous bite, the Komodo dragon is an apex predator. Komodo dragons can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 300 pounds. The Komodo dragon is vulnerable to extinction, its population threatened by habitat loss, poaching and volcanic activity. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. Our next encounter takes us back to the island nation of New Zealand, where we meet a bird as unique and endearing as the country itself, the kiwi bird. This small, flightless bird, with its long beak, stout legs and hair-like feathers, is a national icon. The kiwi bird is a nocturnal creature emerging from its burrow at night to forage for food. The kiwi bird is threatened by introduced predators such as stoats, rats and cats, which prey on kiwi chicks and eggs. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic birds. Our journey culminates in the eastern Himalayas, where we meet a creature as adorable as it is endangered, the red panda. With its rusty red fur, bushy tail and endearingly clumsy gait, the red panda has captured the hearts of people around the world. Red pandas are arboreal creatures spending most of their lives in trees. The red panda is endangered, its population threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these charismatic creatures. As we conclude our journey, we are reminded of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the precariousness of its existence. The stories we have shared today are not just about animals. Which one amazed you the most? Subscribe for more rare wildlife.